Simple explainer video on upgrading a web hosting plan with Hosteasy. To upgrade your hosting plan, log in to your Hosteasy client account. Navigate to Orders, My Invoices from the username menu that appears. From the list of hosting orders, select the hosting plan you wish to upgrade. Click on the upgrade link. Select your preferred hosting upgrade option from the list and click Submit. You can now proceed with a payment from here. Once the payment is completed, your plan will be upgraded without affecting your website's performance. You can choose from various payment methods available.